The Graco Forever DLX 4-in-1 car seat is the only car seat you'll ever need, now upgraded with 3 new features for you. This 4-in-1 seat grows with your child, so you can enjoy 10 years of use with one seat from 4 to 120 pounds. It starts as a rear-facing harness from 4 to 40 pounds, then transitions to a forward-facing harness from 22 to 65 pounds. Next, it can be used as a high-back belt positioning booster from 40 to 100 pounds, and lastly, as a backless belt positioning booster from 40 to 120 pounds. It's the only car seat you'll ever need, upgraded with 3 new features for you: integrated belt lock-off, rapid remove cover, and fuss-free harness storage. And all of these great features make it comfortable for your child and convenient for you. This seat also meets Graco's Protect Plus engineered testing standard, which helps protect your little one in frontal, side, rear, and rollover crashes. The Graco Forever DLX 4-in-1 car seat is the only car seat you'll ever need, now upgraded with 3 new features for you and your child.
Hi, I'm Sarah Haverstick, Safety Advocate with Evenflo. So you found the perfect car seat for the next decade of adventure with your little thrill seeker, but now you need to know how to install it. Well, you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to show you how to install the Evenflo EveryFit all-in-one car seat in rear-facing mode with seatbelt. Before we begin, please review the instruction manual and all labels on the car seat prior to use. To prepare the car seat, we'll need to move the lower anchors to the forward-facing belt path so they aren't in the way for your seatbelt installation. Detach each lower anchor connector from the side of the car seat. Unbuckle and loosen your harness. You'll want to remove the soft goods so that you have easier access to the belt path. Move the lower anchors from the rear-facing belt path to the forward-facing belt path. Attach each lower anchor to the storage location on the side of the car seat. Lift up on the recline handle and tilt the car seat to one of 3 rear-facing recline positions. Place the EveryFit on your vehicle seat facing the rear of the vehicle. Make sure the car seat bottom sits flat on the vehicle seat. Check the recline angle indicator. The level line should be parallel to the ground. Route the vehicle seatbelt through the openings on the side of the car seat for the rear-facing belt path. And buckle the seatbelt. Check your vehicle owner's manual to determine how to lock your seatbelt for car seat installation. In many cases, you will pull out all of the shoulder belt webbing to switch to a locked mode. To tighten the seatbelt, place one hand in the center of the car seat, giving firm pressure. With the other hand, pull the shoulder belt towards you to remove slack. While tightening the seatbelt, slide the shoulder belt into the blue lock-off on the opposite side of the car seat from the seatbelt buckle. To check for tightness, grab the car seat at the belt path where you have it installed. It should not move more than 1 inch from side to side or front to back. It is important to check for movement right where you have the car seat installed. For rear facing, that means checking near your child's feet and not at their head. Make sure your child is reclined enough for their head to lie back comfortably and safely so they do not have difficulty breathing. Now you're ready for non-stop adventure. For any additional questions, all Evenflo car seats come with ParentLink customer service perks, like real-time chat support and free live video installation service. For more information, please visit evenflo.com.
The Safety First Grow and Go is a 3-in-1 car seat designed to help protect your baby from infancy up to 100 pounds, changing and growing to match your child. It can be installed in 3 different positions: rear-facing, forward-facing, and a belt position booster, and can easily transition as your baby grows. The Grow and Go is designed with real-world use in mind and has a unique, easy off-machine washable pad to make cleaning easy. Just pull it off and throw it in the washing machine. It's designed to provide extra legroom in the front seat when installed rear-facing without sacrificing protection. And it features easy in and easy out belt hook technology to make buckling in a snap. The Grow and Go by Safety First, a car seat built to grow.
Introducing Graco's SnugRide SnugLock 35XT, a car seat with the easy-to-use features you need. And it has a hassle-free installation in 3 steps using latch or the vehicle seatbelt. Click, that's the sound of a secure install. The stay-in-car base only has to be installed once, and the easy-to-read level indicator eliminates installation guesswork. The adjustable base offers 4 recline positions for a proper installation. To install with latch, this base is latch-equipped for hassle-free installation. You'll love the convenient storage spot for the manual and latch. This lightweight car seat is easy to carry, and it grows with your baby for infants from 4 to up to 35 pounds. For your child's comfort, it's got soft cushioning with a removable head and body support, a 5-point front adjust harness, and an all-weather boot for comfort no matter the temperature. Graco meets and exceeds the U.S. safety standards with safe seat engineering. Click Connect allows our seats to attach to all Click Connect strollers and bases in one simple step. The SnugRide SnugLock 35XT infant car seat, safety and convenience that you and your child need.
The SnugRide SnugLock 35LX featuring one-hand adjust from Graco has a hassle-free 3-step installation. Using your latch or vehicle seatbelt for a secure, easy install. Step 1. Buckle or latch. Step 2. Remove slack. And Step 3. Lock for secure install. When you hear a click, that's the sound of a secure install. To further make using this car seat a breeze, it also comes equipped with a one-hand adjustable handle to easily get baby in and out. Complete with these additional features, this infant car seat is simple for mom and comfy for baby. This seat also meets Graco's Protect Plus engineered testing standard, which helps protect your little one in frontal, side, rear, and rollover crashes. The SnugRide SnugLock 35LX featuring one-hand adjust, convenience and ease that you and your baby need.